Hello everyone, myself A. Sai Supra and I am from CSE C section. Welcome to the concept video of Applied Physics and my topic is Fermi level in intrinsic semiconductor. Fermi level in intrinsic semiconductor. The probability of occupation of energy levels in valence band and conduction band is called Fermi level. At absolute zero temperature, intrinsic semiconductor acts as perfect insulator. However, as the temperature increases, free electrons and holes get generated. In intrinsic or pure semiconductor, the number of holes in valence band is equal to the number of electrons in the conduction band. Hence, the probability of occupation of energy levels in conduction band and valence band are equal. Therefore, the Fermi level for the intrinsic semiconductor lies in the middle for forbidden band. Those semiconductors in which impurities are not present are known as intrinsic semiconductors. The electrical conductivity of the semiconductor depends upon the total number of electrons moved to the conduction band from the valence band. Example, silicon and germanium. If the temperature will be maintained at 0 Kelvin, then the valence band will be full of electrons. So at such a low temperature range, it is impossible to cross the energy barrier. It will act as an insulator at 0 Kelvin. The minimum energy required to break the covalent bond in germanium crystal is 0.72 eV. And for silicon, its value is 1.1 eV. At room temperature, thermal energy excites some electrons present in valence electrons to shift to the conduction band. So the semiconductor will be able to show some electrical conductivity. As the temperature increases, the electrons movement from the valence band to the conduction band will also increase. The holes will be left behind in the valence band in place of electrons. This valency created by the electron after the breakage of the covalent bonding is known as hole. And this is the process for the conduction band. Fermi level in the middle of forbidden band indicates equal concentration of free electrons and holes. The electron concentration in the conduction band is given as, where Kb is the Boltzmann constant, T is the absolute temperature of the intrinsic semiconductor, Nc is the effective density of states in the conduction band, Nv is the effective density of states in the valence band. The number of electrons in the conduction band depends on effective density of states in the conduction band and the distance of Fermi level from the conduction band. The number of holes in the valence band depends on effective density of states in the valence band and the distance of Fermi level from the valence band. For an intrinsic semiconductor, the electron carrier's concentration is equal to the hole carrier concentration. It can be written as P equal to N equal to Ni, where P is equal to hole carrier concentration, N electron carrier concentration, and Ni is intrinsic carrier concentration. The Fermi level for the intrinsic semiconductor is given as EF equal to EC plus EV by 2, where EF is the Fermi level, EC is the conduction band, EV is the valence band. Therefore, the Fermi level is an intrinsic semiconductor, lies in the middle of the forbidden gap. Thank you.